Okay. It's going to the computer. Okay, so that was this week's required weekly test issued at 9. So again, anyways, that was this week's test. Since we are basically making WKZZ a better station, we're on basically all day now. Weekend alerts probably won't be able to be paid because my weekend camping. Sometimes I can access it. And if you're wondering what all the songs I have, Don't Stop Believing, Something to Be Proud of, What Weather, Hard to Forget, Teenage Wasteland, and a lot of songs with this that you'll have to stick around for. We hit the 10-hour mark on air yesterday. So yeah, that was pretty cool. For my county!
For the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Marion, Putnam, Seneca, Wood and Wyandotte, and Maumee Bay to Reno Beach. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 343, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Marion, Putnam, Seneca,
my county.
Wyandotte, and Maumee Bay to Reno Beach. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to the latest
watch. What are you doing, 262?
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There it is.
Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 343 has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Marion, Putnam, Seneca, Wood and Wyandotte, and Maumee Bay to Reno Beach. p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. On the latest weather map, convective activity ramps up today ahead of a low-pressure system and cold front that will pass late tonight into Thursday. High pressure follows and persists.
That actually didn't boot off.
Weekend, but isolated shower activity still possible.
Let's go. Okay, we gotta get the product over IM, but it goes over WKZZ. Momento.
Stark County in northeastern Ohio.
Okay, then I gotta relay this over WKZZ. Actually, I don't think WKZZ will replay any from WKZZ.
Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Dearbornville to Deer Mountain, suburban, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mackinac, Canton, Worcester, Millersburg, Massillon, Kent, Barberton, Greene, College, North Canton, Orville, Berlin, Whitman, Mogador, Walnut Creek, Doylestown, Hartsville, Brewster, Nylar, and Dalton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Polls, Starr, Summit, and Wayne.
Beep.
Until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Close to the watch. The National Weather Service northeastern Ohio.
Okay.
Lifetime, A severe thunderstorm was located over Savannah or near Ashland, moving east at 20 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
Oh!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, northern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Leipzig, or 10 miles northeast of Ottawa, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Fostoria, North Baltimore, Macomb, Weston, Van Buren, Bloomdale, Signet, Portage, Jerry City, Hoytville, Custar, West Millgrove, Milton Central, and Bairdstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock and Wood.
So, what just happened there?
Around 5 miles per hour, becoming northwest after midnight. Chance of rain 60%.
Whoa. Anyways, they issued the freaking severe thunderstorm warning out of the blue, which I really did not like. Let's just take you through a WKZZ relay here. I'm not gonna edit, so thing is, it won't have like the colons. No, it's just not gonna be spaced out because I'm kind of in a rush right now. Cause I was goofing off with Siri. Stevie. So, Wood and Hancock. Okay, stop blowing up my DMs. That sounds so bad. Anyways, okay, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Boom! Until 3:35, that'll probably be 30 minutes. Would add Hancock. Wait, that's still in effect? I thought that cancelled. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, come over here. Mute. Generate and play.
The
National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, northern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 3:15 p.m. EDT. At 2:36 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Leipzig, or 10 miles northeast of Ottawa, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour. Wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expected damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Astoria, North Baltimore, Macomb, Weston, Van Buren, Bloomdale, Signet, Portage, Jerry City, Floydville, Custer, West Mill Grove, Milton Center and Bairdstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
So that was DSVR on WKZZ and KZZ 47.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Putnam County in west central Ohio, southeastern Henry County in northwestern Ohio, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Putnam!
Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Deshler, or 12 miles northeast of Ottawa, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Wellington.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leipzig, Deshler, Belmore, and Gallup. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in northern Indiana. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Henry and Putnam.
Are we done?
For the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock,
Are we done?
Putnam, Seneca, Wood and Wyandotte, and Lummi Bay, Beach.
Are we? Okay, it's for my second county now.
Weather message. The National Weather Service
For Seneca, and that's my second county.
Thunderstorm warning for western Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Van Loo, or 11 miles northwest of Upper Sandusky, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70
Moving
miles
what?
per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail.
Where's this moving?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage.
Considerable tree damage there.
Homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations
Safe
impacted include
more.
Tiffin,
Wait,
Fostoria,
Hancock's in this? Yeah, Hancock's in this.
Sycamore, Van Loo, New Cary, Nevada, Mount Blanchard, Wharton, and Bascom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hancock, Seneca,
What?
Wyandotte.
Seneca, Wyandotte, Hancock. More like Hancock, Seneca, Wyandotte.
Urgent weather message.
We done?
The National Weather Service
Again?
in northern Indiana has
Are
issued
we?
a severe thunderstorm
Are
warning
we?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm.
WKZZ!
Northwestern Seneca County in northwestern Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland. 4 p.m.
Is turn mower.
Time. Northwestern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Miles per hour. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight
miles per hour with quarter-size hail.
7 miles northeast.
Source, radar indicated.
Did I assume I thought it
Minor
was?
damage to vehicles if possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted include
I was just looking at CBS Evening News Open.
Springs, Mobile, Bethel, Rising Sun, Lindsay, Helena, Bergen, Kansas, Stony Prairie, and Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Sandusky, and Seneca.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Sandusky, and Seneca.
WKXA. Better be dirty. WB30 on WKZZ.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke and Hancock. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County and East Central Ohio, South Central Columbiana County and East Central Ohio, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wintersville, or 8 miles west of Steubenville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Whitten, Steubenville, Wellsville, Toronto, Wintersville, Mingo Junction, Follinsby, New Cumberland, Smithfield, Richmond, Irondale, New Manchester. Moved.
Uh-oh.
262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a
Bulletin.
severe thunderstorm warning for
Bulletin.
northern Richland County,
Bulletin.
south central Huron County, northeastern Crawford County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crawford.
WKXA. WKXA. WKXA.
Northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Shelby, Ontario, Crestline, Bullet,
Let me watch JFK stuff.
Sulphur Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Crawford, Huron, and Richland.